It's so close to getting back. At least from other alive. The animals made it this far. This might make it all the way home. Can't give up.
Are you okay over there? You like this movie? It's okay, I won't show anybody the video. This is just for us later on. Wait, it's not over. I was just kidding. It's not over.
Wow. I just couldn't believe that that could be the end. I was like, that is the most depressing Disney movie ever.
Isn't that the most beautiful sight you ever saw?
Come on, you two. Let's go home.
Oh, whoops.
Even now, I don't really know how we did it. But there we were, finally, looking down at the road that would lead us home.
Home is just beyond these tracks. We should be there before dark.
I've heard that before.
Just be very careful. Come on, you two. Watch carefully where you're going. Look both ways.
Oh no.
Stay with me. Hurry up.
Not so fast.
Come on. Hurry up. You all right, Sax?
Me? I laugh at danger.
Throw that video, let's get out of here.
I'm so sick of nature, I can puke. After this, I intend to live indoors on a velvet cushion filled with bird feathers and be served fillet of mouse on a silver platter.
All right, Sassy. We're nearly home. Come on.
Is that on?
Yeah.
Shadow?
Oh, Shadow.
Poor old guy. Huh?
Shadow?
Are you okay?
Yeah. My leg hurts pretty badly.
Is it broken?
I don't know. Hard to move it.
Hey, look at this. It's not as steep over here, Shadow. Maybe you can climb out here.
I'll try.
Come on, you can do it. You got us this far. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Great, keep coming.
Come on. If you can jump in a river to save me, this should be easy.
Yeah, that's right. And after running a mountain lion.
Meanwhile, Lolo's trying to sneak food behind the couch. Yeah, you're caught. You're caught, Lolo. Lolo.
Oh, hang on.
Right back. Right back.
Don't pretend that you're cute. Don't pretend you're cute.
Shadow!
Oh, Shadow.
Oh, no, don't lie down. Don't lie down.
Sorry, I can't make it.
Why not? Of course you can make it.
Try, Shadow. Please try.
I just can't.
Look, you pushed me this far. Now I'm pushing you the rest of the way. You know, back there in the woods, even when things were bad, I always believed we'd make it because you were too stubborn to quit. I can quit. Not now. Not when we're this close. Now try again.
Do you think it's easy for me to admit I can't do it? I'm too old.
That's not true. There's nothing you can't do.
I have nothing more to give a chance And it's time for you to be on your own.
But I want you with me. I love you, Shadow.
You've learned everything you need, James. Now all you have to learn is how to say goodbye.
I won't let you give up.
Now, I can't stay but a minute, but here's a welcome home pie for you. Oh, Your what?
It's a dog. Hey guys, turkey's on the table. Dad! Oh no, honey.
It's okay. Just let it out. There's Lobo. What about you, Coco? You want to join in the love? Want to join in the love? Oh, Coco. No. He's like, I'm freaking. It's sassy. Get here, Zeus. Okay, Zeus. Go to love.
Families all come back together,
Stop it. Here they come. Here they come. Oh my goodness. This huge dog trying to get on me. I'm trying to.
You're okay. He's here. Oh, I'm so happy. I want you all the time. I miss you, Peter, and I love
Shadow's fixing to go. His belief was the thing that got us through.
I love
In
it.
that moment, I saw the years he lived. He was a puppy again, reunited with his best friend.
Go, go. Yes, go, go. Come here, sweetie. Hi. Oh, there's
New feeling came.
There's Coco. There's Coco. We'll just reach over Zeus. Oh, God.
When I found out that sacrifice and friendship
Okay, jealous dog.
were more than just emotions.
Jealous. Hey, get down, Zeus. Get down.
For the first time in my life.
The little boy.
Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lolo. Hi, Coco. Hi. Oh, and this is why we love dogs. This is why we love dogs. Oh, oh God. Oh, God. Ah. Get down. Pretty damn good movie, huh?
Oh my god.
And that was Homeward Bound. Want to watch Homeward Bound too?
No. No.
Oh, come on, they get lost in the city next.
Oh, great.
They meet stray dogs.
Oh,
Okay.